Howdy friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, alright, what I'm doing here, I'm redoing the carburetor metering diaphragm. Alright, I just readjusted the needle on this thing. Okay. Here's my homemade gauge I made. I just took this middle, you put this on top of your carburetor like this. Get the gasket off. And what I do is I go along here, just like I'm doing right now, in the middle part here, this middle guy right here. That's what gives you the proper height for your needle and seat right here. Okay, so I got that adjusted pretty good. That guy right here. All right, now gasket first, then your metering diaphragm. Get a lamp on the pegs here. Don't drop parts. Now you put this on top of here. Make sure your holes are lined up. Work with cold fingers. I love this December weather. Just go along here and just tighten up your bolts. Just to get the rest of them put in. Just like so. When you put these screws in your carburetors here, guys, make sure you get the screws in here pretty straight, because I almost cross-threaded this one. When you start getting a little bit, you start feeling a little bit of tension in the screws, back them up and re-straighten them up a little bit. These little things get really stripped pretty easily. So, anyway, I just thought I'd bring in for a quick little deal on the metering diaphragm. Okay, guys? Alright, thanks so much for watching.